It's crochet. If this is not your cup of tea, click the link down below, boo, and do it the individual way. I got something for you. Trust. Okay, another day, another dollar. Y'all, I done got sick. I was supposed to take my hair out a long time ago, but y'all, I got sick. My eyes are watering right now. I guess getting over a cold or something. I haven't been coughing, just my nose has stopped up. My husband was sick first, and then like right when he was getting better, I think before he completely got better, I kind of slacked up on wearing my mask. Shit, I was wearing it for like 5 days in the house. But that last day, yeah, I guess it was too early. So I'm like tired, ran off, like no energy, but I need to do my hair. It's time, and plus I'm ready to get out the house. I'm not completely well, but I'm good enough. So here's my braids. Today is Saturday. I did my hair last Friday. Look at it. And I feel like it only looked like this because I had a scarf on my head. That's why, you know, still look cool. So I'm ready to do my makeup really quick and then be back so we can do these crochet braids. We have some more crochet braids in. Yes, because we are doing my hair today. A total of 120 pieces. Starts off with the braid, go into the curl, and then plus there are some curly pieces coming out of the braid as well. So yeah, let me do my makeup right quick. Oh, that's cute, little bob. Okay, so makeup done. I'm not going to wash my hair because it's pretty soft. I know I still should wash it, but I'm not, because I won't have this style in long. Because I still have to do my soft locks, and I plan on doing them in about 3 days. And I will wash my hair for that. Let's see if I can comb it. Yeah, look at that. Look good to me. So good to me. Alright, so we're going to do the side part. We're going to do the side part crochet. You know, because usually you have a bust down middle part, you can pull it over to the side, but then you have that straight part over here to the side like that. Nah, we're going to give it a dedicated side part. Okay? Alright. Alright, so I have a total of 120 strands. So basically, this is 3 packs, but in one pack come with like 2 bundles. So this is 1 bundle, but your girl has 3 bundles. So we're going to make this work. And I think this is going to work out because not everyone want a full big head of hair. And also this hair isn't like really cheap. So no one's trying to buy 5 packs of hair like I had in my last video. But 3 packs of hair, that's reasonable. Alright, so let's part out the side part first. Alright. Okay, yeah, we're going to roll with this. Yeah. I haven't tried this before. I'm just making it up as I go. But yeah, just do the braid coming around here both ways, and then the rest can go however. I need to hurry up because like I am in a rush. I ain't gonna even lie. I ain't gonna say I'm not in a rush. I'm in a rush. I'm in a rush. So I'm trying to think. Do I want edges out? Nah, I can't flat iron my hair with all this product on it. I'm really gonna fry it off. Maybe I can just try to swoop it. I just can't put no heat to it. Put a little bit of my grown-up hair out. Because one thing we gonna do over here, we gonna fake it till we make it. All I could think about is like, if I don't have enough hair. And then I'm also in my head like, make it enough. Because I mean, let's be realistic here. Who's buying all the hair? That's like when the people used to put 5 bundles in their sew-in. Girl, who's getting 5 bundles? 3 bundles. 3 bundles me. Just like today. 3 crochet bundles me. Come on, Tarika. I hear you. I hear you. I'm doing it for the people. Alright, so I got these 2. Those the main 2 that need to be like that. Everything else, I'm ready to do it however. Okay? I actually don't want straight parts, so I want to stop using my comb so that it's not like so crispy. Y'all see where I'm going with this? Alright, we made it to the end. So that took me about 35 minutes to braid my hair like this. Alright, this piece I'll just crochet it through however. Alright, start in the back and I'm going to spread them out as much as I can, and then I'll go back and add hair if I have some left. Cool? Cool. You already know how to crochet. Do what you do. do what you do. I'm gonna watch my shoes. Let's get physical, physical. Oh yeah, I do need to go down on the side where I want the, let's take this out because it's looking dumb. I need to go down so that flat part will be underneath. Now it's under, so it's laying more flat. Okay, so that's half of the first pack. Now we're on to the second half. See, I have it spread it out quite a bit. Yeah, this is one pack, and that took, if it's 104, so that was 16 minutes to install the first bundle. And I did have one of the little pieces come out when I was trying to pull it through the loop. So let's get started on the second bundle. Second bundle, the first part. Because remember, there are two halves. So we're going to do this one first. Okay, this is 1.5 bundle. Now we start on the second half of the second bundle. Pack, jack, whatever. Y'all see how much I'm spreading them out in the front? A lot. We gotta make this work. I'm gonna use every single crochet strand I have, all 120. But I have to make sure it's portioned correctly. So here are my gaps. I'm going to go in between the gaps. Make sure it's like layered. And then in between here. Okay, so that's right there. Give it that brick layer effect. So right here, that means one right here. Okay, same thing. Let's put one right here in between that. Okay, cool. Still got my little brick layer effect going on right here. Going in between each braid. That does help. Going pretty much like they're going in between. See that? Okay. Last two bundles left. I have this much left. What time is it? It's 1:22. Okay. Let me zoom y'all in a little bit so you can see what's going on up here. You know, it's looking a little shady, but baby, that's okay. Because I feel like I'm going to have some hair to go back through and fill in, which is perfect. All right, so I'm starting on the swoop. And the swoop I'm going to have, you know, like pretty close. Okay, on my last half of the third bundle. See those holes? They look pretty good. Perfect for the top. This is what I have left. Alright, I think I did pretty good. 8 pieces to fill in. I think this side is done. And then I can go to filling in the back right here too. Okay, here we go. Here's the back. Oh yeah, we in there. I mean, it's crochet. If this is not your cup of tea, click the link down below and do it the individual way. I have a way for you as well, you know? Some people are fine with this. I'm fine with this. But if you're one of those girlies that's like, click the link down below, boo. I got something for you. Trust. But this, what time is it? It's 1:45. I started crocheting at 12:48, so about an hour to crochet this in. What, about 30 minutes to braid my hair? An hour and a half to complete this look? I think we're winning here. So yeah, I did it. I made it. And that's it. I like it swoop behind my ear. Swoop or no swoop. Click the link down below to go get yours. Okay, here's the finished look. This is 3 packs, a total of 120 crochet braids. And this is 14 inches. Real cute. You can push it all back over to one side. Cute and classy. Forward, one side up, behind your ear. I'm so happy that it worked out, and it looked full. It looked good. Like, I was forcing it last time with the 5 packs because this looked good. If you spread it out, you'll be good to go. You know, that's it. Really cute. And get on out of here. I'm ready to meet up with my homegirl. And then later, my husband is cooking dinner, so I gotta be back for that too. Right now, it is 2:03, so I'm doing pretty good. And you guys, and really quick, because I like to show you guys the takedown method. I'm not ready to take out my hair. I'm ready to leave, but let me show you. What you're gonna do is just pull it back through the loop, especially if you want to save them. See this? I just pull it through like that, and then there, it's out. Simple. But I'm ready to go somewhere, so we're gonna put this bad boy right back in. I just wanted to show you how you do it. And of course, if you don't want to take the time to pull them out, you could easily just take it and cut it and pull it out like that. All right, you guys, so that's all for this video. Definitely make a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look and if you would give it a shot. If not, click the link down below and check out my individual crochet method. See ya.